What is up, guys? It's your boy Vic the Beast 24 here, back at it again with another video. In today's video we are gonna be working on the Elantra N, so we'll see how that works out. It's already up on the ramps. To be exact, we're gonna be working on the exhaust. I got my exhaust from SXTH Element, and we're also gonna be doing the mid pipe today, so hopefully we can get that done. So here are the parts. That's gonna be the mid pipe right here, and then you already know the fit. Yeah. Old shirt, old sweatpants, and some boots just in case. So that's gonna be the mid pipe right here, and then I believe this is the exhaust. And then I also have this. I ordered the turbo inlet and the cold air intake and a blow off valve, but I believe the turbo inlet is in here and the blow off valve. I'm just missing the cold air intake because we're making some more. So here it is. It's open already. So we got box number 1, box number 2. I believe this is for the active exhaust. I believe that's an extender since it doesn't really reach. And here's the exhaust itself. Okay, not too shabby. I believe that was it. Perfect. So here it is, the exhaust itself. Not bad. Okay, so I'm gonna be putting on my sweater before I go outside. You already know the fit, because it's currently about 47 degrees outside, so the build is about to be crazy. These little bush or whatever this is gonna be a problem. So I'm gonna take it off real quick. I'll be right back. Now that all of that's out of the way, let's get under here. Now that I'm under here, looks like we do got plenty of room to play with. So I'll be back with y'all shortly. Okay, so we got step number 1 done. We took this off with this. I was just prying it with the flat head around here in the beginning. I was able to take it out. Now we're gonna hit this with the 19 millimeter. We've removed both 19 millimeter nuts, and this is the mid pipe that we're unboxing now. And that's it, the titanium mid pipe. It's actually really light. Pretty nice. Now for the mid pipe, we're gonna be taking off those bolts right there, and as well as this hanger right here, and it should be pretty easy from there on. Okay, here's an update. I was able to get my hands on this power drill, Milwaukee fuel, or like power ratchet, I'm not sure what we would call it. And I was able to take out one of the nuts. Now I just need this one, and we should be good to go. Update, I was able to take off the mid pipe. It's right here. Just make sure the gasket stays on there, as well as at the other end over there. Okay guys, I'm in the Elantra. I'm about to turn it on for the first time with only the mid pipe on. it's time to install the 6th element exhaust, axle back exhaust. And look at this. Look at the difference. Look how big these are. I could fit my whole hand in this. Look at that. Look. Damn it, boy. Okay, I think we got it. And now we got the muffler off. I had also forgotten a step to take this thing off. It's right here. You just press on the little latch thing and boom, should take off. Now we just take off this. And it should be good. Look at the whole tool setup right there. I have all the 1/2 inch. And then over here, the little setup. Got out the tools, the welding helmet. And now for the exhaust, we got this part on already. These, I torqued them down to a 40 pound-feet of torque. The ones that we had taken off earlier. And then I'm just gonna do the same thing. Put it in here first, basically working backwards. And then it would let me bolt it on here easier. And vice versa to this side. So I'll be right back. Okay, I already put this back on there. I connected the extender thing, the extender wire, so I can connect to the original one. I already bolted these down. Have the exhaust. And I already did that. Put them back on here. And everything should be good to go. This is how it looks from the outside. And now let's hear a cold start. That is it, guys. We are done with the exhaust for the Elantra N. It's a 2025 Elantra N, and the exhaust is a 6th element axle back and the titanium mid pipe. So thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more content like this, and make sure you like and subscribe.